This is how to redeem SwagBucks to gift card. In this video, I'll be taking you through how to redeem SwagBucks to Amazon gift card. You see, there are so many ways to make money on this platform. You can make money taking surveys, watching videos and ads, playing games and testing websites to earn money in dollars. And this is open to everybody worldwide, including Nigerians. It is only gift cards that give you opportunity to cash out fast, and I'll be taking you through how to cash out gift cards on SwagBucks directly to your bank account, or you can use it to make a purchase on Amazon. As you can see, there are different kind of gift cards on SwagBucks. We have PayPal gift cards, Amazon gift cards, Payoneer gift cards, Steam gift cards. 100 SB is equal to $1. That is if you are cashing out with gift card that is dollar denominated. Internationally, 130 SB is equal to 1 UK pound sterling. So you have to consider that when you are cashing out with different kind of gift cards. Please subscribe to this channel, like this video. Thank you so much for doing that for me. To withdraw, you go to reward, you click it, then you click reward. You can see so many gift cards you can use. You can see the platform has paid out over $892 million. You click all gift cards. I have over 900 SB. I'll be using $5 gift card. It will help me cash out 500 SB out of over 900 SB. So you click this. You can see Amazon $5 gift card. It is important you know that this is a digital gift card. You are not going to get a physical gift card sent to you. The gift card code will be sent to your email address. You click claim a gift card. Great choice. Let's verify your order. Please confirm your information. So the first thing you need to do is to confirm your information. It shows your name, email address and your home address. All you need to do is to click confirm. You can see you just verify your reward. Check your email for delivery instruction. You can see that the email has been sent from SwagBucks to notify you that you are cashing out your gift card. Look at it. Your order for Amazon $5 gift card has been verified and is being processed. Usually it will be delivered to your email between 2 to 3 days, and in some cases it can take up to 10 working days. You can see thank you, your order has been placed. You can see the amount and is being processed. You can see I've received an email from SwagBucks that my gift card is ready. Your Amazon $5 gift card is here. So you just come to your email to view the code. This code is very important. You take care of it for security purpose. The code is the money. You click that, you insert your password, and as soon as you insert your password, you have access to the code. This is the code which represents the real money of the gift card. You can copy it or you print it in a safe location. But how can you use your gift card? The first option is for you to use your gift card code on Amazon. There are different things you can buy with your gift card code on Amazon. You can exchange your gift card and cash it out directly to your bank account using ATM platform. This is one of the best platforms that is highly recommended and is the cheapest. I've tried to investigate most of the gift card exchange platform. This is one of the best so far. If you sign up to this ATM using my link, ATM will give you a gift of $1. All you need to convert your gift card to any currency directly to your bank account in your country is to click add. So you search from here, you scroll down, you click gift cards. You can see different kind of gift cards: Amazon, eBay, Google Play, iTunes, Spotify, all kind. Ensure you watch this video how I cash out gift card directly to my bank account in Nigeria. It will take you a step-by-step process of how to do that. Please subscribe to this channel, like this video. Thank you for doing that for me. The next video will take you through 9 platforms where you can use your phone to work from home and you'll be able to cash out with ATM. Don't forget to drop your comments, like this video. Thank you for watching this video. Bye for now.